July 2022. Both of these peach trees are exactly 20 months old. Here's my original one on the left. It has not grown much in the past year except for adding a new branch. Here's my other peach tree. It's gotten a teeny bit taller. Have some new growth starting right there at this point. I've left them in these small pots for far too long. It's time to upgrade them to some larger containers. First, I'll prepare them by adding some drainage holes. Taking a look at the roots. Some direct composting. If you have composting scraps but have not yet built a compost bin, you can put them in a plastic sack to hold in the freezer until you're ready to use them later for direct composting. I have a video on my channel called Direct Composting Trench Method if you want to check out that video after this one. The one time I have used fertilizer in this whole 5-year process other than adding some compost from my compost bin. So that's it for peach tree 1, moving it to its final large container. I will edit and shorten the process for the second peach tree to save some time. Both peach trees grown from seed, now in their final large containers at close to 2 years old, about 20 months. Here we are 9 months later in spring of 2023. Slow but steady growth, adding new branches and leaves. Be sure to check for aphids in the spring on the new branches, under the leaves of new growth, and catch them early. Next, you'll see a big increase in growth over this year. Late April 2024. This is a 3.5-year update on my 2 peach trees grown from seed. A lot of new growth this spring. And the exciting update is this year I finally got flowers for the first time. So there's some flowers. It has a chance to produce some fruit this year. There were quite a few more flowers, but we've had a lot of wind and hail recently. It just kind of knocked a lot of them off. But it looks like at least a couple of them got pollinated. Here's one right there. There's a little baby peach starting to grow. Not sure how well you can see that. April 7th, 2025. First peach harvest after 4.5 years grown from seed. Let's give it a try. That's very good. This has been a great experience growing these 2 peach trees from seed, and watching it flower in the spring is very enjoyable. From seed to fruit was about 5 years and not that much work overall. My kids really enjoy coming out to the backyard garden and picking blueberries, strawberries, and now they can add peaches to the long list of items to choose from. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.